In this video, you'll learn how to disable last seen on Telegram. Do you want to keep track of who sees when you come into and go outside Telegram? Then this video is for you. But just before we head straight into the video, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't, and also turning on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates. And most importantly, ensure to give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. With this being said, let's hop into the video. So you want to head straight to your Telegram app, and on the app, you want to use the menu button at the top left hand corner, and you want to click on settings. Then you want to scroll down and click on privacy and security. And you have the menu, you have the interface here where it says last seen and online. So you want to click on that. As you can see, it shows everybody. So you want to change it from everybody to something else, which will be, you have to click on that. Now you can see the new interface. It says last seen and online. So it says, who can see my last seen time? I have it on everybody. So you want to change that. You have two other options. You want your contacts only, contact you have saved, all right, on your device. If you just want your contact to see when last you've been online, you can click that. But if you don't want anybody, which is the third option, to see when last you're online, you click on nobody. And with that, when you're done, you can save it by clicking here. And it says, unless you're a premium user, you won't see last seen or online status for people with whom you don't share your, all right, share yours. Approximate time will be shown instead, like within a week, all right, within a month. This is Telegram telling us that if you happen to be a premium user, you get to see things like recently, within a week, or within a month. But you won't see things like last seen today, or last seen first day of the month of April, or last seen on the first or fifth day of the month of April. All that will not be there. All right. And basically, this is just an edge for premium users. So let me know if you find this video helpful. Let me know if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you all in other videos. Bye for now.